What's up, guys? Another trading tutorial on Tradingview. So the first thing you're going to do, and it's going to be a very quick video, you're going to go to tradingview.com, and this is for beginners. This is for really uh, for my students at Sun Valley Elementary School. So you're going to go to tradingview.com, and then you're going to create a new account if you don't have one, and they're free. And once you create your account, it's going to be blank and it's going to be white, and it'll look kind of like this. And once you set up your account, you're going to, if you like dark mode, this is your menu over here, and you would check dark mode. Now we're going to set up our chart settings. Click on a candle, double click on it, and I am going to change the colors because I prefer a money green color, but you can use whatever color that you like. You can use blue, you can use purple, as long as you know what the color means to you. So green for me means to buy, and red for me means to sell. You're going to uncheck last, uncheck pre and post market, go to appearance. If you like the grid lines that are in here, you can leave them. If you don't, you're going to go here where it says vertical grid lines and horizontal grid lines, and you're going to click on that, and it has 6% there. You're going to take it down to 0. On the horizontal one, you're going to do the same exact thing. Take it down to 0. And now our lines are gone and our chart is clear. Now we can go here and click Save As, and I'm going to save it as Sun Valley Students, just for tutorial purposes. And then you're going to click OK. So therefore, anytime you create a new chart, all you have to do is click on your candles and pull up the chart settings, and then click on and apply whichever settings or the name that you saved your chart settings to. You're going to click OK. Now we're going to set up our chart. We're not going to use the lagging indicators. We are going to use volume, momentum indicators. First, we're going to go to the candle settings. So right here, you type in your ticker. So if you wanted to type in Nike, if you like Nike, you can type in Nike. And if you don't know the symbols, I think you can start typing out Nike and it'll pop it up. So I typed in the entire word Nike. And so the ticker for Nike is NKE. And then that's how I bring up the Nike chart. If I wanted Roblox, I would start typing in ROB. And there is the Roblox ticker. So it just depends on what you are looking for. For this tutorial, I think I'll leave Roblox up for the kids. So now we're going to go to the time frame. You want to put your time frame on 3 minutes, and you want to put the star by it. And then this way it'll stay up here. And this is your menu where you can get to your settings quickly. So for the candles, I do hike and ashy. So you're going to click the drop down, click the arrow to make it drop down, and then go all the way down to hike and ashy and put a star by it. And you're also going to click on it to change the candles. And now your candles look much smoother. These are trend-based candles. I am a trend trader, so I like the trend-based indicators. So now I'm going to double click on the chart settings again, and I'm going to go in here. Wait a minute. Let's hit apply. Sun Valley students. Oh, pooh. Okay, that's okay. We should have changed Heikin-Ashi before we done that because it's not taking it. So now I'm going to go ahead and change the Heikin-Ashi candle colors really quick. So note to self, change the candles first. Heikin-Ashi candle colors are different. But you can leave them that color if you like the little turquoise green. I just like the dark green. And now I'm going to hit, again, I'm going to save as Sun Valley Students. And now everything is saved in there. The Heikin-Ashi candle as well as the colors that I prefer. Okay, now we're going to go to indicators. We're going to type in volume. And then the volume weighted average price is what you want to click on. You want to put a star by it, and then you want to click on it and place it on your chart. Then you want to go to EMA difference, and then you should see the EMA difference histogram. You want to put a star by that one and put it on your chart. The last indicator we're going to do is the open range breakout. I'm a breakout trader, therefore I use breakout indicators. We're going to put a star right here, and we're going to put this on our chart. On the free one, you can only use 3 indicators. If you upgrade, you can add 5, and then they have more plans where you can add more indicators. But we're not going to use all the lagging indicators because we only want to see what the big money is watching. We're going to turn on our extended hour. So right here where it says RTH, we're going to turn on our extended hour trading. That way we can see pre-market and aftermarket trading. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first remove this, whatever this line is. Oh, that's my orb indicator. Okay, so I'm going to turn that one off. To turn these indicators on and off, you can just click the button that looks like an eye. Okay, let's go to settings on VWAP right here. We're going to set up the settings for the VWAP right here. I have it gold because the gold line is the actual VWAP indicator that these big money investors use. So the upper band, I have it to red because that's a resistance area. The lower band, I have it at green because that's a buy area. On yours, it's going to have green filled in. So right here, you would unfill the bands, and then you're going to hit Save as Default. And then you're going to click OK. Now let's hide that indicator, and let's go to this one, and let's change the settings on this one. So we have our open range high, and we have our open range low. On the low, if the stock market breaks the low, then we're going to take a put. If it breaks the high, we take a call. And we're going to change it to 3 minutes. And so the market opens at 9:30. So about 9:33, that's when I want this indicator to show me if there is a breakout or not. And you manually have to type in the 3. And then you're going to hit Save as Default. And there we have it. And for the settings on our stock indicator, you're going to go to Settings, double click it. On the inputs, change it to 8 and 20. This 8 and 20 is actually the EMA indicators, but we're not going to use the lagging indicators. We're going to use the settings on here to take the place of those. So you're going to type in the 8 and the 20. And the style, I change my green and my red. When the stock is up, it can be up and down at the same time. So because it's up, I just changed the light green that they had to a little darker green. But you can leave it just like it is. You don't have to change it. The only thing, and then uncheck the Stosh, Bull, and Bear. These two here, uncheck those, and then click Save as Default and click OK. And so now our chart is set up. And there's that green I was telling you about. And then click OK. And that's how we set up a stock chart. And as you can see, I'm not going to do a strategy on this, but as you can see right here, the orb indicator, if the stock does not break out of this, you don't really want to take a trade. It's not going to be a big move, in other words. So I hope that this tutorial is clear. So you may have to rewind it a couple times until you get everything set up the way this one is. For the volume, you just double click here if you want to change the colors to match your candles and your EMA difference indicator. And then you want to go up here and click Save Chart. And you want to give your chart a name. And that is basically it, you guys. So I will see you in the next video. And thank you, Ms. Moore, for allowing me to show your students how to set up a stock chart and how to start trading in the stock market. Have a great day, everybody.